Hello, you're looking at a super clean 2003 Forest River Wildcat 29 RLKS, which I have to look, but it's probably about 32 feet long. Clean as a whistle. Looks to me to be hardly used. Now this trailer's been totally serviced and cleaned and ready for retail. We got it from a RV dealer who is in failing health, who sold off his inventory and got it at a very reasonable price, and because of that we're passing the savings on to you for a quick sale. It is being sold no reserve. Really is clean, no odors or anything. Nice cabinetry work. 2 slides, kitchen slides in and out, which is interesting. Gives some extra room, and so does this room. All the appliances work. Has an RV fridge, 3-burner oven, stove. Nice white sink. It's clean, not scratched up. Carving board here. If somebody told you this was a 2010, you'd believe it by the shape that it's in. I mean, hardly any use at all. Looks like it may have a couple scratches here where a TV came in and out. Maybe the same here with a stereo. Other than that, very nice. And it has a stereo also. Of course, heat and air, all that stuff. Nice big sleeping area with matching drapes and spread and all that stuff. Cabinets up top. Spot to put a TV. Nice little vanity sink there. Plenty of hanging room for clothes. And then we have a john and shower combined. Again, real clean, no leaks, odors, anything. All winterized right now. And pretty, just a nice pretty unit. Look at my history here. Look at my feedback. I sell them no reserve. I'm lucky enough that people trust me, and I'm able to sell no reserve and get close to what I need out of them. Still very good buys, reasonable buys. Look at what this RV sells for online, and then watch what it gets sold for here, or bid on it and buy it. Outside here we got good looking tires all the way around. Spare tire on the back. It will need a battery. When you come to pick it up, you will need a battery. Lots of storage under here. Even has a water filtration system with it. Of course, the LP tanks and all that. 2 of those. Just hook it up to your 5th wheel and go. Power landing legs. Nice awning. So again, if you're looking for a trailer, now's the time to bid on this one, because it's going to be no reserve. It's going to be a good price, and it's a nice clean unit with everything that works, and one that's hardly used. Set it up down the beach as a beach house, mountains, use it to travel with, whatever. It's not that heavy. It's under 10,000 pounds, excuse me, unloaded. Not that heavy of a trailer. It's at the storage lot in Edgewood, Maryland. This storage lot is only open Monday through Friday 9 to 5. So it's right off I-95, but it will have to be picked up within those hours. At the end of the auction, $250 deposit is required. If you don't leave that deposit within 24 hours, it does give us the right to sell it to somebody else or relist it. Then the balance is due within 7 days. Please do not bid unless you have your finances together. You don't have to pick it up right away. You can have up to 30 days to pick it up. But the balance has to be paid within 7 days. We're a small dealer and we turn our inventory quickly. You will get a 60-day temporary license tag, clear title, and everything you need to title this RV in your state or locally, either one. So, buy this Forest River quality RV.